Hello and welcome to Calm the Pharm podcast, where pharmacy business meets legal wisdom, minus the headache. In each episode, we share practical legal tips and real-life examples to help you run your pharmacy with confidence. I'm your host, Sarah Stoddart. Thanks very much for joining us. Today on the podcast, I'm talking about whether or not you're standing out in what you're doing, even in the most simple ways. Recently, I've been recruiting for some new team members for our firm, and there's been ads on Seek and LinkedIn with plenty of applications rolling in. But what has really struck me during this process is that people are doing things which are simple tasks which really make them stand out from the rest. So what I mean by this, and some examples, in our advertisement, I'm asking for applicants to send their covering letter and resume to me at my email address. Now that sounds pretty straightforward and simple, but it might surprise you the number of people that don't follow those instructions. They might hit easy apply on Seek. They might send their email to my address, which has my name in it, addressing Dear Sir. They may not even include the firm name in the covering letter or covering email, despite the firm name being in the actual email. So what does this actually mean? Well, it tells me as a possible employer that these people aren't paying enough attention to detail, and their inability to follow simple instructions in an ad may translate to their inability to follow instructions in the workplace. To me, these simple details are what are really important and makes the difference between a good candidate and an excellent candidate. Can you read the instructions? Can you follow those instructions? And can you take those extra few minutes to actually address me by name, include your firm name or wherever you're applying for the job, and actually put some effort in to really make you stand out? And I'm serious when I say these little things do make you stand out amongst a pile of other applications that could have been sent to any firm or any business for any job. So you might be thinking, Sarah, that's well and good in your business, but how does this apply to our businesses? Well, I'm thinking about how this translates into pharmacy business and how you can be doing the little things that really make you stand out from the rest. Pharmacies are in the healthcare business. So for example, if I walk into a pharmacy and there's rubbish on the floor or dirty counters, that's going to cause an issue as a consumer trying to go to a place that is supposed to be clinical, clean in the healthcare industry, and yet there is dirt or rubbish lying around. Similarly, if your uniforms being worn by your staff are scrappy, how does that reflect on your consumers? So I'd urge you to look around your business, and rather than focusing on the big things and the big items that you're doing in your business and projects to help you move the needle, which I appreciate are required, look at the little things. Look at the things that are going to catch people's eye as soon as they walk in the door. That first impression really does count. And think about what changes you can make so that those first impressions are out of this world fantastic and really count towards the consumer's view of your business. What is it in your business that you could simply make a light change or an easy change to really make an impact? Another thing that springs to mind is where your prescriptions or screens may be facing, making sure that that information that you are holding on patients and their medications is kept confidential at all times. Making sure that your stock on your shelves is neat and tidy, easy to find, easy to locate. That obviously sends an image about your business, but also the products that you're trying to sell to your consumers. Think about your signage. Is that messy and confusing, which might overwhelm someone who's feeling ill or it may be injured or dealing with another condition? Or is it neat and tidy, enabling people to follow your guidance around the store to get what they need? Like I've said, these little things make the difference, and I'd encourage you to look around your business and see what's there that you can change to really stand out from your competitors and land your market impact for the right reason. That's all for today. It's a short one, but one for you to really think about. I'd love your feedback. Thanks, and talk to you soon.